In this video, I will show you how to register and use GPT Chat 3. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to stay up to date on GPT technologies. There are currently no applications to use OpenAI, but you can use Chrome or Safari for this. Enter the address www.openai.com. Then click Try GPT Chat. Click Register. Create an account. Enter your email address. Continue. Enter the password. Click Continue. You need to verify your email address. Open your email and then click on the verification link. Now enter your first name and last name. Continue verification. Phone number. Enter code. Choose your interests from the examples. Use Open Artificial Intelligence. Way to go! You did it! You are registered. Click Try entering Chatbot. Log into your account. Down here now, you can enter questions or recommend a solution to a task. Everything you want to know. And the artificial intelligence bot will give you the answer in a few seconds. Remember that instructions must be in English. If you don't know English, or your English is poor, nothing happened, man. Use Google Translator so that the answers to your questions are right. You have to ask them with sense, and they must be grammatically correct to keep up with the technologies of the future, which starts in 2023. And it really is now. I must ask you, man, subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. Like a video or all videos on the channel. And of course, leave a comment. Or if you have questions, ask them in the comments. I will try to answer everything. If you have friends who might be interested in OpenAI GPT, then send them a link to the video. Please check out my other videos, because everything you read, you see, and hear on my channel, it is done using various OpenAI programs. Thank you for your time. See you online, man. AI Revolution 666 YouTube channel.